Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Kukai wallet using Facebook. Kukai wallet is a user-friendly Tezos blockchain wallet that makes crypto access easy, especially for beginners, and one of its best features is social login, which lets you sign up in using account like Facebook without needing to remember a long recovery phase. And in this guide you will learn step by step how to log into Kukai wallet using Facebook safely and correctly. First, open to Kukai wallet if you do not have, so you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. After you open to this Kukai wallet, this is your welcome screen of the Kukai. On the bottom, we could find this option for the already have an account or create a wallet. Select to this already have a wallet in this bottom in order to sign in with Facebook. And here we can find this use social in the top. If you already have a wallet, you can use your social, restore with a recovery phrase, any of this option from here. As we are selecting use social, over here you'll find this option either sign in with Apple, Google, Facebook, Twitter, or the other option. What you can do is simply tap on this icon of the Facebook login here and select continue. Again, select continue. That is it. This allows Kukai wallet to securely link with your Facebook account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or queries, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.